We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Palo, Pinto County until 10:30. A severe thunderstorm is located near Possum Kingdom State Park, or 18 miles south of Graham, moving east at 50 miles per hour. The storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning in effect now for northern Palo Pinto County until 10:30 for the next 37 minutes. A severe thunderstorm was located over Possum Kingdom State Park, 18 miles south of Graham, moving east at 50 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.